Hey everyone, welcome to telaHosting. In this video, I'll show you how to add SRV records in DirectAdmin, which you need if you're setting up communication apps like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, or Discord with your domain. An SRV record, short for service record, tells the internet where to find a specific service running on your domain. Apps that handle voice, video, or chats often need them to connect, authenticate users, and run stably. Without the correct SRV records, the app might fail to connect or behave unexpectedly. So before you start, grab the exact SRV record details provided by your service provider. Every service will give you a specific set of values: the service name, the protocol, a priority, a weight, a port number, and a target host name. You will need all of these, so have them ready. Now, log into your DirectAdmin panel, and once you're inside, go to the Account Manager section and click on DNS Management. This is where all your DNS record lives. Click on Add Record, then select SRV Record. A form will appear with fields you need to fill in. Let me walk you through each field. The name is written in a specific format. It is _service._protocol. For example, for the Microsoft Teams SIP, it will be _SIP._TLS. For Zoom, it will be _XMP-client._TCP, and so on. Priority is a number, and lower means higher importance. Common values are 0, 5, or 100. Weight is used when multiple SRV records exist for the same service. Typical values are 0, 1, or 5. Port is the specific port number the service uses, like 443, 522, and so on, depending on the app. And finally, target is the server address the app connects to. For Teams, it is sipdr.online.link.com with a dot at the end. That trailing dot is required in DirectAdmin, so don't leave it off. Once the fields are filled in, click Add. Your SRV record is now saved to your DNS zone. DNS propagation for SRV records takes anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes and up to 24 hours globally. You can check whether your record is live using dnschecker.org. We already have a video on how to do this, so do well to watch it. And also, always double check the values you entered against what your specific provider gives you, as they can change. And that's it on how to add SRV records in DirectAdmin. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. And also subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.